Okay, here we are on the third green. What happens in the event of we miss hit our tee shot and the ball hits the bank and runs into the water? So, what happened? Well, all of these waterways here and on the far side of the course are classified as red penalty areas. So, what does that mean? So it means the ball comes over here, we can either go back and replay the shot, or we can take the point of entry, walk back, keeping the flag in line, pick out our favourite distance, and hit across to the flag again. However, here at Tevan, as a simple option, we actually have a drop zone. So, ball goes over, drops into the water. Of course, what we can do is go right. This is where the ball is, and you can actually see the ball, and I'll get this out later. Is go right, no near the hole. I'm going to try and drop on this steep slope, maybe fall into the water. However, for the convenience of everyone, we've got this nice little drop zone where we can take a club length, drop it. Of course, it's a penalty. We hit 1, penalty 2, I'm playing 3, and happy day. Now, we actually have or introduced a local modern rule for out of bounds. So, what I'll do first is actually explain what if my ball hits and finishes here. This is an out of bounds fence. So, do I get relief? No. I'm going to have to manipulate some sort of movement or swing to hit the ball. Of course, I could take an unplayable and do all that sort of stuff, or just play. That's ultimately up to you. So, of course, when you take an unplayable, you're going to take a shot penalty, exactly like we discussed, drop with the nearest point. But what happens when the ball hits? Let's try that again. When the ball hits and goes over the fence. So, I can see the ball, I can take a stroke and distance penalty, which is right the way back to the tee. That's a 1-shot penalty. Or, I think, you know what, that's too hard, I'm going to be hitting 3 over there. I hit it on, I'm going to be hitting 4. I can actually take a 2-shot penalty here under the local modern rule. So I'll actually be playing my 4th shot from here. So 1, 2, 3 is the penalty. Drop, again within a club length, chip it up, continue play. Shouldn't have thrown it. I should have pretended.
Please fall in.
It's environmentally friendly, see?